my little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So children, see, today we will do work in our cursive workbook which makes our handwriting very beautiful. So please open page number 54 over here. This is page number 54. See children, what we have to do? We have to write the mixed letters. So put a tick over here and mention the date. Today's date 23/11/2020. Okay. So see, we will write the mixed letters capital I and small j, JK, KL, LI, MN, NM, OP and PO. Okay. So let's start writing I and J. You will start the writing I like this from the blue line and move upward the red line, come towards the blue line. Now join and write the small j like this. Now make it again like this. Join it properly like this. Capital cursive I and the small j like this. Now the next is J and K. Capital J and the small k. Move your pencil in one hand only, free hand, upward. Move upward like this. Join the letters very carefully like this. K. Come downward. Now join the small L. Move upward, come downward. In blue line, move upward like this. See how I am writing? In the same way, children, you will move your pencil. Okay? Join the letters very carefully. Now the capital cursive L and I. Start here from the blue line. Move upward, come downward. Now join L and I. Now come downward, children. M and N. Start from the blue line, move upward till red line, come downward. Again move upward, come downward and write it down. Everyone will use the sharp pencil. Okay? No one will use the blunt pencil. Like this. Upward, 3 curves and downward. Join the M. Like this. Now N and M. Start from blue line, move upward and mixed letter, next small cursive M. Like this. You are learning this cursive handwriting to make your handwriting beautiful. Now do practice also apart from here also. In cursive workbook you can practice at your home. Curve. Now join P. Curve, join and P like this. P. In this way, children, you will do your work. P, join O. P, capital cursive and join O. Now the last one is left. P and O. So in this way, children, you will do your page number 54. I hope it is clear to you. Move your pencil in one single flow. I don't want to see your rough handwriting. Okay? Everyone do it in very good way. In the same way, children, you will do your page number 55 also. This page is homework for you. Tick on homework. Mention the date 23/11/2020. In here also you have to do it in the same way like we have done over here. Okay? So this is all about your cursive work, children. Thank you.